Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap where the promoter entity Paco Exports Limited has bought 5,86,675 shares today at Rs 55.43. Paco Exports Limited also bought 4,54,499 shares yesterday at Rs 53.31. Now, Somani Impresa Limited, which is the new name for Paco Exports Limited, also bought 8,02,920 shares through market purchases between February 7 and 10, 2020. Now, friends, recently Sunil Singhania's fund also entered this company, and hence this could be a small company to watch going forward. Friends, we have also created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel members. Please go ahead and click on the link in order to join the group. The link for the same is present in the description of the video. Also, friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now, the company in question is HSIL Limited, which is available at Rs 57.15, and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is HSIL. Now, HSIL Limited engages in the manufacture, sale and trading of glass, building, plastic and consumer products. It operates through the following segments, which are building products, consumer products, packaging products, retail business and others. Now, looking at the 1-year chart, this company was consolidating for the first few months of the year, but then literally fell off a cliff when a major part of the business was demerged in the form of SHIL. The market cap of the company is 413.17 crores, which means that this company is a borderline stock between a micro cap and a small cap. The EPS of 11.51 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 4.97, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 28.37. The price to book ratio of 0.27 is also insanely cheap. Now, friends, what is important to remember here is that these are standalone numbers, and on consolidated figures, this company may not be making profits. The company also has a very attractive dividend yield of 5.25%, whereas the promoter holding is just about average at 49.34%. Out of this, nothing is placed. Now, friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.